G'day, in this short video we're going to show you how to assemble the pieces of your Groov EPIC system hardware. Typically your system's going to consist of a processor, AC power supply, a digital AC input module and a digital AC output module, and a 16-position rack and chassis. We begin by installing the power supply onto the rack and chassis. Align the fingers with the fingers in the rack and snap the module home. The next thing we're going to do is install the processor. When installing the processor onto the power supply and rack, it's important to line up the slot in the processor with the matching slot in the power supply. Once the two slots are lined up, push the processor down. Next, secure the processor to the power supply by installing the screws. Then install the screw retaining the processor to the rack. To install the modules, align the slot on the module with the slot on the rack and slide the module home. Again, that's aligning the slot on the module with the slot on the rack and slide the module home. Next, secure the module to the rack by the single retaining screw. And we're ready to go. Lastly, we need to apply power to the power supply. There's a 3-terminal strip on the front of the power supply. Prepare your cable and attach the wires. Once that's done, apply power and turn on the PR1. You'll see the boot sequence begin. At first, your module lights will be red. As the system initializes, they'll turn blue. So that's it. Your Groov EPIC system is ready for work. For more information, check out training.opto22.com. Cheers, mate.